Hey there, campers! Here's how you can get Silverbark Planks in Outbound. To get Silverbark Planks, you'll first need a level 2 axe so you can harvest dead silverbark wood found around the golden brown plains surrounding the windmill area. Once you collect your first pieces of dead silverbark wood, the recipe for Silverbark Planks will automatically unlock. After gathering enough wood, build a sawmill on your camper van if you haven't built one already, then interact with it. Inside the sawmill menu, you'll see that crafting one silverbark plank requires 2 pieces of silverbark wood. Simply select the recipe to queue up production, then press this button right here in the center to begin processing the planks. Wait for the crafting process to finish, and once it's complete, collect the finished planks from the sawmill's output window. And that's all of it. If this video helped, leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.